Hi class, Brother Dixon here. I thought I would show you a little tool that me and my wife use for helping tracking our expenses. I know this week you guys are working on that, so I thought we'd show you kind of one easier way to do it in our world of technology. We've got access to our phones all the time, so you can use your phone to track your expenses in Excel. Rather than always having to input it on your computer. This helps us out because as soon as we leave the grocery store or something, we're in the car and we can just pull open the file and then enter the data right then. So the way that you do it is you got to have some sort of cloud-based storage system. So I use Dropbox, and that's where we store our daily budget tracking. And then you can download the Excel app, which is a free app, and then you can link it. And what this will allow you to do then is you can still have, so I have Dropbox on my computer at home, I have a work computer and I have it on there, and it just allows the file to be on all those areas and get updated, so that way it's not just in one location, you can kind of update it multiple places. You don't have to do this is just kind of a suggestion, thought I'd show you what I do to see if it helps anyone out there. So what you do is you launch the Excel app here. You open that, and then when you launch it, you're going to see it says OneDrive Personal, Dropbox Personal. OneDrive is a storage system that Windows uses. You can sign up for a free account. I don't know what the space is on it, but I personally like Dropbox. I've been using it for years, so that's kind of why I choose to do Dropbox. So when I click on Dropbox, now it's going to show me, this is just everything on my Dropbox. So I go to my home here, and then I have a file called Budget Daily Tracking. So I go to open that, and here's my budget daily tracking. I track all of my expenses, budget, how we're doing. You see this is for the month of May, and there on the left hand side is all the dates. So as we go to the store and we buy things, we come in here and update it. Let me scroll up here so you can see. So this kind of over here is our variable category where we got car, eating out, groceries, and then just others. So I'm going to make an entry. Yesterday, I went to Costco, so I kind of double click on the cell, and then it pops up, and you'll see here that it pops up and has the numbers and everything down here. You can do equals, you can add, you can basically do anything you can in Excel. It's just on your phone, and so I'm going to say that. So I went to Costco yesterday to get some diapers and wipes and whatnot. Couple other odds and things, and it all was in the other category. So the total was 85.03. And then you hit the check mark saying, okay, your entry's good. And there you go. And so it updates that, and then you see I'm summing there at the bottom to see how I'm doing. What this allows you to kind of do is when you go to the store, then you can see, how are you doing on certain budgets? Are you getting close to going over? Are you over? Are you way under? Where you're at on your different budgets for the month. So like I said, you can do this there's probably multiple ways to do this if you have other cloud-based services. If you're using Numbers, the Mac version, then you can, there's ways you can do it on there that I know of. Those Android users out there, I had an Android prior to having an iPhone, and I was able to do the same thing. You have the Dropbox and the Excel. It works very similarly. The look might just be a little different. I don't exactly remember, but anyways, it's a great tool. I hope this helps some of you out, and you can, if you have any questions about it, feel free to let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. All right, well, happy tracking of your expenses, and I hope you guys have a great day.